What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Proper ABS kicked in then, didn't it? Or if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we've got some pretty cool content coming up. As you saw, we just bought another E36. I mean, it's a bit of a turd, but it'll be fun. And today we're actually gonna do some work on it. We picked up some Overfenders, and today Ross is driving like a pleb. Today we're gonna go fit the Overfenders, basically. I said basically so many times then. Basically. Yeah, we'll probably fit the front ones today and then fit the rears another day, but it'll be in the same video anyway. Rise also bought some new wheels, I think they're like VSKFs, but I think they're like reps. So we'll probably test fit them on either his car or the drift car, I don't know yet. But yeah, see you at the garage. Oh yeah, so we also got a little lock up to keep this thing in. Here's the M Sport bumper we picked up the other day as well. It's a bit trashed, but it was 20 quid, so I can't really complain. We'll sand it down. We're gonna paint the whole car purple anyway, so it doesn't matter too much. But yes, there's the Overfenders, there's the rears. I'll get them out in a bit. There's Rye Boy.
Right, how you doing?
How you doing? just scratch the new wheels. So Rye picked these up today. They're quite nice. They're like basically replicas VSKFs. I don't know what they are. RS. What do you say they were?
It says they're Fox Racing RS2s, but I've looked online and
can't find them.
Well, if you don't know Fox Racing are, all those cringe like max power star wheels and shit. You used to get the 106s. They do those, but I just can't find those anywhere.
No, I can't. But they are two-piece, so we should be able to change the barrel, get a deep dish on them. But we're probably going to test fit them on there, see what it looks like. Should look quite cool. They're not stretch tyres or anything, but should be alright. They're only 7J as well. They're quite narrow. They need to go wide. Let's drag this thing out. Naughty Roscoe. Oh yeah. They haven't seen the nose in a while. So here's the Overfenders. We got them, so they come with the actual fender itself. Yeah, it's just disappeared. There's some weird spacage going on here. I don't know what that's all about, but we can sort that out. They're not mint. We got them cheap, so not really complaining. But and there's the rears, because obviously our rears all smashed in, which we don't really care about. But as these came up cheap, we thought we might as well grab them, and it'll cover some of it up anyway. They look quite wide as well. Might have to put some spacers on the rear. And we also picked up a window for here. As you can see, there is no window. So we got that. The only other thing we need now, we need a front window, which we're still looking for. The guy that we got all of this off has a front window, but it's already got a few cracks in it. So I don't know if it's really worth getting or not. Don't know. Not sure yet.
Worth what?
Getting that other window, because it's got cracks in it, innit? So might not be worth it.
I'll find that one.
Yeah, so we're gonna fit the Overfenders, the front ones today, and probably test fit these wheels as well, see what it looks like. Oh yes, we treated ourselves to some new tools. I have to keep borrowing tools off my dad, so we thought, let's get our own tools. Freshies, isn't they? Ready to work on your car tomorrow, right?
Yeah, true.
Oh, look at the mess in here.
Yeah, with those clear lenses,
we took these off yesterday off of that other car, so it's like mad teamwork now. We know how to get them off. Well, I mean, they're not difficult, but you know what I mean. There's no bolts holding this side on anyway. There's no bolts holding this side on.
More bolt. Really?
No.
That surprised me.
Yeah. Well, that makes it easier, doesn't it?
no, do you get a hammer?
What do you want a hammer for?
Bash out the bottom struts.
Easy job, mate. We're gonna delete. Yeah. We're gonna delete everything as well. Get rid of this. Get the aircon out. Take the ABS pump out. It's all bypassed anyway. It's all got new brake lines, which is quite nice. Ordered a new boot for this because it is kind of ripped. So I'm having to run the map unplugged at the moment.
This is this one. It's completely grounded.
Is that the right size?
Yeah, that's the right side.
Ross has nearly got that side off. This side, they're like seized in there. I've put some WD-40 or plus gas on it, but they just want to round off straight away, and I haven't brought a drill with me, so I might have to just do the one side today. I'm not sure. We'll see how we get on.
Sleep here for tomorrow.
Rye's the specialist at getting the bottom bolts out now. Oh, you missed the bolt. The same bolt as before. Leave it like that, mate. Loads of poke. Won't get any rubbing that way. Well, we got the one side on. I'll grab a bit of rag and clean it up quick, just so it looks a bit better. Looks kind of goofy at the moment, but I kind of like this. I don't know, it's weird. It's like,
I think it's nice.
Yeah, once it's all painted and nice and everything.
Once the whole car looks like it should have that.
Yeah. So they just go ping. It sounds like this. Oh, no, they just closed. I know, it's so long. We've ordered an impact gun. Kind of looks a bit ricey, doesn't it?
Wait for it to go down, because then it will...
It's because it hasn't got stretched tyres. That's what makes it look a bit weird.
Out a bit as well.
Put the other spacer on.
Do you actually want to put this one? That looks so shit with them. Mate, no.
So obviously the fitment's not great at the moment. Let me know in the comments what you prefer. Do you prefer the fake Fs, or do you prefer the Style 5 16s by 8? Let me know down below. What did I say? I said Style 5s.
I prefer Style 5.
Oh,
I have to edit this now.
Yeah, I think they would look sick if they got dished. At the moment, they just look a bit ricer. But I think all VSKFs and all wheels just don't look good without a dish.
Yeah. I think we should do the other side.
But we'll have a look, see if we can find some dishes for these. Water housing, delete?
Let's wait.
Delete everything, mate. Anything that's not needed, delete it. Let's watch Rye try and jack a car up. 2 hours later.
I know you're going to use that shit.
Go on, carry on pumping, right? Yeah, you would have been there for a while.
6 hours later.
Push it in further.
I know. Chill out.
I can't push it in any further. That's all of it.
Slip, go down.
Yeah, that's sketchy.
Go down.
That's the thing. This has only got E36 arms, which are 25mm, so the geezer already had some spacers on, so we might as well use them. Don't know what they are. They look about 20mm.
Shit, can you bring the car?
These ugly indicators off, God knows what they are. They're pretty horrible. If anyone wants them, message me on Instagram. You can have them for free. We've got some others. Yeah, actually 100 quid. No, I'm joking. Yeah, if you want them, message me on Instagram and you can have them. They're pretty ugly though. We've got some original ones to put on. Much better. OEM Plus. Also got these door cards in like a blue leather. If anyone wants these, message me on Instagram if they're not sold already. But yeah, they're for sale. I went to take the air boot off and look, it just fell apart. It was absolutely demolished. Yeah, so this is causing a vacuum leak as well. It's got a split in it, so I'll probably just chop the pipe and then push it on a bit further up, try that. This is the ABS module as well, so it will probably taken all of this out. Don't know how it's held in, but we'll find a way. Right, that's it for today. We'll join you back in the video once we've drilled them bolts out another day. Right, so it's a couple of weeks later now. We managed to fit the other Overfender. Obviously we need to adjust the ride height. We've just got it high at the moment because it's easier to work on the car. But yeah, we I'm probably going to do the rears in another video, just because we haven't done them yet and I don't know when we're going to do them. It's next on the list, but there's some, well, it's not really next, there's a lot of other things first. This side's actually alright, but as you remember, the other side is all smashed up, so that's why we're going to put the Overfenders on. But we need to get spacers as well. I need to work out what size, probably like 50 mils or something. But yeah, so yeah, do the rears in another video at some point. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.